If you're not from Detroit, you don't know what this is. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, go ahead and click the little subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a like and a comment. So guys, this is the famous What I Got for Christmas 2018. I'm very excited about this. We start with Victoria's Secret. I just got some underwear and then I got these black like fleece lined leggings, but I'm wearing them right now. In this Victoria's Secret box, I got this matching like set of this like pink burgundy jogging suit. Oh, it's hot. Ooh. Ooh.
Say ooh. Say ooh.
You already know what this box entails. Wait, can y'all see this? People love hating on these shoes, but they cute or whatever. And let me get a whole Fila outfit. I'm gonna be popping. Ooh. I love the new packaging, by the way. Like the white and gold is very, very pretty. So in here, see, like this is so cute. Like they're really doing a dang thing with this packaging. Like shout out to the packaging person. I just got some leggings with a pocket because I have been needing these so badly. And they have the little sign at the calf. I've never had these. I always had the sign at the back, like on your butt. But these were much needed because I really wanted some leggings with the pocket. In this Macy's box, I got some Nike because, you know, Nike had that 25% off on Black Friday weekend. I received this matching Nike like Air hoodie. And no, these are sweatpants, and it's really, really pretty. And they have this whole like metallic thing going on right now, and it's very, very pretty. So I like this color a lot. Next up, another Macy's box, more Nike. Very, very happy. I just needed some matching sets, to be quite honest. Oh, this has like Hollister stuff mixed up in it. Well, I got this Hollister bralette, but I'm wearing it right now. You can't see it, the lights are too bright. And I got this, well, I bought this bralette, and I got this other white bralette from Hollister. That's like a, what you call this? Cindy, what do you call this type of bralette? No, like the type, whatever this type of bralette is called. And then I got, halter, there we go. And I got this crop top. It came as a matching set, and I actually bought the black version of this. So I have like the red version, the maroon version of that. But I might take that back. And I got this lettuce shirt, like the lettuce. I was wearing it in my last video because I had already bought it for myself. So I might have to take this back and, you know, exchange it for something. Okay, next up, this Nike thing is so cute. It's this white, like a metallic Nike cropped hoodie. And it goes with these Nike black leggings that also have like the metallic on it. Very, very cute. And it's gonna go really, really well with my Nike slides that I bought myself that are black and gold. It will also go well with another gift I received. Ugh. In this box. I've been needing some new running shoes forever. So I got these black and gold Nike free runs, like Flyknit. Very, very cute. So I just had like the regular like black and white free ones that I got literally like 2 years ago. Oh yeah, this electric toothbrush, which was already opened because I used it this morning. And I have been wanting an electric toothbrush because I just feel like you need that, like, these little cheap toothbrushes aren't it, and you just need an electric toothbrush to just get the job done right for the good gifts. I got, how do these YouTubers do it? Boom. AirPods. Period. Ooh. But yeah, I was seeing all these AirPod memes on Twitter on Christmas, and I was like, I can relate. Like, it was like all the, like, welcoming all the new AirPod members.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke.
So that is that. Okay, so I forgot a couple stuff. First of all, I got also from Hollister. I got these green like plaid pants, and I have like a plaid pant obsession. If you look on my Instagram, I got this Vince Camuto scarf, which I'm very happy about because I need a new scarf because I don't have one, and it's cold. Finally, but not least, this Kate Spade purse backpack that I love. It'll be seeing us around. Alright, that is it for this video. That is what I got for Christmas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Peace. I know it's all in my